Yeah, here we have a Rong Fu RF-40 geared head milling and drilling machine. It appears to be slightly used. It's in really good condition. And the reason why we're saying it's used is we found some metal shavings on the deck here. Not much. I think it may be a trade show model. We're not quite sure. In any case, I'm going to fire up the motor for you. This is on the low speed right now. Forward and reverse work very well. Put it up on the high speed here. Reverse, forward. We checked out all the functions on here. Everything appears to work really well on it. This includes a Accurite DRO. Okay, it's a 3-axis. It's the view. All right, here's your Z-axis, your Y-axis, and your X-axis. And what we have here also is a Workhorse AL200S power feed table. This is variable speed. It also has a rapid switch. We checked out the stops, so everything works on here. We inspected the machine carefully. Everything seems to be okay with it. It includes handles, knobs. That goes there.